Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being so patient with me. I know I've been gone a little bit, but I am back showing you this gorgeous Galaxy acrylic design set using the Just Gel Me pigments and Born Pretty duochrome pigments. This is a very layered look, so there's no really right or wrong way to do this. I'm just going to let you watch what I'm doing. I've kept the pigments and stuff on screen so that you can kind of see my pickup process, and I don't really have any sort of plan when I go in and do things like this. I was quite lucky and this design came out really beautiful, so that's a win for me. Sometimes they do work and then sometimes they don't. This one came out beautifully. All of the pigments that I'm using will be listed below in the description box and where you can purchase them for yourselves. I use raw Miss You Just Gel Me pigments mixed in a 2 to 4 roughly, so 2 parts pigment to 4 parts acrylic roughly. I don't really have too much of a system when I do this. I just do it till it works for me, and you guys can do the same thing. The duochrome pigments are extremely pigmented, so you need to be very minimalistic with these. Use your brush super wet. Use all of the pigments super wet in a design like this so that they all kind of disperse and run into each other, which is just going to make the look more authentic. I was surprised and didn't even really I didn't need any glitter or anything with this look. They came out beautifully. So I'm just going to let you watch me work, and I will be back a little bit later to explain the rest of the process. So now I've gone in with the design. You can see that I've created just random patterns using the pigments, and it's quite layered. As you can see, I've kind of gone in and added black and added more purple and added more pigment wherever I felt I needed it. So now I'm going to encapsulate. I'm only showing you one nail here because there's no point me showing you all 5. Encapsulation is encapsulation, and it's pretty straightforward. I will say that I like to work quite wet when I'm encapsulating, especially dark designs like this, because it helps your acrylic stay nice and clear. You'll have less air bubbles. Make sure you burp your brush and get all those air bubbles out. It will definitely help the finished look. So I'm just showing you encapsulating the one nail here, and then I am going to file and buff all of these nails off camera, because on these tips it's impossible to show, and quite frankly it's boring, so I'm not showing that here. Here I'm using the Miss You No Wipe Top Coat, which is what brings this whole design to life, and you can really see it right before your eyes happening right now. It's just insane. These duochrome pigments, when used like this, are just absolutely stunning. I feel like they work best over dark colors, but you can see just how beautiful they are. I didn't use them with any form of acrylic or anything. I've just used my wet brush and dipped it straight into the duochrome pigment and placed it onto the nail. You don't really need to do anything else in that. You can obviously mix it with clear acrylic if you want to, but I find that the best way to use them is just with a wet brush. So now I'm just top coating all of the nails, and this of course is the best part. Like, look how beautiful. I'm so incredibly happy with how this set turned out, and I will be recreating this look on my own nails so that I can see them in person and stare at them constantly all day, because why not? They are just amazing. And this top coat is really beautiful, guys. No wipe top coat, cure for 60 seconds in the lamp, and then you'll get a close-up look a bit later showing how amazing they look. So I just want to say thank you again to everyone for your patience. I know that I've been gone for quite some time, and I do appreciate all of my new subscribers, and this year is going to be amazing. God, look at that. That's just so beautiful. I'm so happy with how they turned out. So yeah, here I'm just curing for 60 seconds. And here is the finished look. There's just so much to mention. The Just Gel Me pigments really add to the entire look, and you can see just dispersing it and stuff like that with the black pigment is just amazing. So give it a go for yourselves. If you do try it, tag me on Instagram or Facebook or whatever. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.